Well, Daniel Cooper's done it again. For anybody who's not seen the video that he dropped today, Sunday the 16th of June, I don't know how he does it. It's an insane new technique after another. And this one caused me to go and have a panic buy of hairspray. Yes, really. And he's using hairspray for all sorts of things with his resin. Now, the latest one, he's been spraying hairspray on and brushing chameleon powders over it and getting some absolutely, as he would say, insane effects. So anyway, I went round our local shop in all of a panic during half time in an England match. I know, Daniel, it's all your fault. And bought some hairspray. Now, they haven't got silver cream, which is the one he normally uses. So Daniel, we're about to find out whether the Bristow's Ultra Strong Hold has the same effect. It's a really big can. They've only got the huge ones, which is all right because I use hairspray a lot. Now, this is going in pretty thick and it's causing a puddle in the bottom. So I'm going to tip that out, see if I can get it down into his little feet and everything. That's the frog mould that many of us have got, obviously. It's a very popular mould, that one is. And this is the Mini Scenes frog mould, which I call Kermit. And if anybody doesn't know, it was Daniel's idea to use my frog as my mascot. So that seems appropriate. Right, I'm going to leave that. But I have got quite a puddle of the hairspray. It came out of that can really, really fast. So we'll just see what happens. And because this isn't a flat surface, I don't quite know what it's going to do. So yeah, I'm just shaking off some of the surplus. I might put a bit more in afterwards. I don't know. It's causing puddles even in there. We'll see. I'll be back shortly. Right, now as I'm probably going to back these with black, I thought what I'd do is go in with silver as our colour, because then the black will show up, won't it? That's the idea. If I can get into it. Also, this is a new pot. I've not tried this yet. This is the silver flakes from the Tiny Turner, which obviously you can get from Toonpish Crafts if you're interested. Now, let's have a look at these. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Right, as you can see, this is the first time I've used them, so I am thoroughly intrigued here. Let's use the brush that came with them. I can see the spots. Can you see? Whoa! I wasn't sure using these flakes. I've seen Daniel do this with some chameleon flakes, but obviously I wanted to do something different. Oh God, they're going everywhere. And I have been meaning to try these for a while. Oh gosh, I'm not wasting too much here. I don't think I've ever seen ones like this before. This then begs the question what colour resin to put in the back, because I'm thinking black. And hopefully we'll get the black spots coming through on the frog. Anyway, I'm just going to keep brushing this in. I'll use a different... Oops, let's move the other one out of the way. I'll use a different flake with the other frog. Maybe we'll go in with one of the ethereal flakes or something. I'm just thinking, because we're creating actual gaps, aren't we? So what we need to do is use colours that it'll show the black through. I'll let you into a little secret. I tried this a few minutes ago as well, and I did put black on the back of a normal, well, I say normal, the Tiny Turner chameleon powders, and of course it just got lost. This is amazing. I hope this works. Yeah, look, it got lost a bit. So it did work. You can see the spots, but because it's the dark-ish colour with black on the back, wasn't overly spectacular. Now, I also sprayed it in one of these little moulds here. So let's try... What have we got? We've got... See, these are the chameleon flakes. Sorry, ethereal flakes. Oh, there's a green. No, let's go with this gold one. It's called Sprite, because I think that the powders will show... The resin will show through best with this one. Good grief, look at that. That's some amazing stuff. Making a very sparkly mess again, aren't I? Gosh, I'm dying to see what this looks like. Oh, the spot's going to work is the question. There's no doubt the flakes are. Well, if this doesn't work, I'm so going to persevere, because this just looks like amazing. And, yeah, I've got a bit of a backlog of Daniel's techniques, because he keeps coming up with them. And there's a lot I want to try. My mat's going to be a lovely sparkly mess, isn't it? I have to try and do something with the bit where I sprayed the hairspray and it went all over the mat as well. Okay, I'll put some UV on that in a bit. That'll be a separate video though, like I said, because otherwise I'm going to be here all night. It is quite late here. Daniel dropped the video this evening and I got overexcited, rushed upstairs, and because I wanted to have a go at it, obviously. And obviously I got it wrong on the first attempt. So let's see what happens with all these. And we're going to use polyurethane resin because it's fastest. Let me get my gloves on and my mask, and away we go. The resin I'm using is DWR Plastics Black Fast Cast Resin. It's polyurethane. So it dries, cures really fast. Now, I'm pushing my luck with the depth a bit here. It is going to get really hot as it cures. It'll be cured in about half an hour, and then it'll probably need half an hour to cool down because it'll be red hot. I was just so excited. I just wanted to get this video out quick, you know. But at least get experimenting. And what I tend to do when I'm experimenting, you tend to see it because I do point the camera at it. I don't have a practice run first or anything. Because I always think, well, if it works, I wish I'd filmed it. I feel the heat building up in this pot already. Interesting to see what that little pendant mould looks like. Have I got enough for the frog now? Pretty darn close. Just going to mix a tiny dot more. Because I do obviously want to get into his little toesies and everything, don't I? Oh, hang on now. I think we're okay, actually. Yeah, just the tiniest drop more, but I might be able to get that out of the pot anyway. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Fingers crossed, everyone. This hopefully will answer the question, does it work with polyurethane as well? And does it work on curved surfaces? Okay, let's have a look. Let's start with the little pendant. Oh yeah, that's a mad effect, isn't it? Hope you're getting the colour flips in there. But yeah, we've got this weird speckling all over it. Okay, let's try the Kermit mould. By the way, I'll put the links for all this lot down in the video description for you. Sort of. I've got some speckles. I've got some. I think I should have gone back in with another layer of the hairspray. So I'm really hoping this one works. I'd say massive thumbs up for the flakes. I obviously didn't get very good coverage with this, did I? But you can see the spots. I'm going to have to persevere with this. Maybe this is a leap too far, going up to things as big as this. Oh, I've got speckles. Not as much as I'd hoped. I'm going to have another try at this, but the speckles are there. Can you see them? I think it needs a lot more, basically. Finish on it's lovely, isn't it? But yeah, I think I need a lot more hairspray, and maybe a curved surface isn't the way to go. I don't know. But he's rather fab, isn't it? You see the speckles? They're made like little rings. So, thank you for this technique, Daniel. There's definitely some mileage in this. Maybe not for the sort of things I've tried to use it for here. I don't know. I will persevere because I do like that weird effect. But it is definitely better on a flat surface. I mean, that's just lovely, isn't it? He's done a few different bits with this on that video. So, yeah, there's lots of things to do. I'm just gutted that I didn't really pay enough attention with this one. You can see the speckles, but I just didn't get it. Look, you can see I didn't get enough proper coverage with the flakes, and I could have done with doing another couple of coats of the hairspray, I think. But glad I did this one. Thank you, Daniel. This is something definitely worth pursuing for lots of different things. I hope you can see this well enough. So if you've liked this little video, please do remember to subscribe. It's completely free and the button is down here. And of course, don't forget to go and see Daniel's video on how to do this properly. I'm sure, like me, it will give you a load of ideas and things you can try. See you soon, everyone. Take care. Bye.